from last night. Last night you had page 89 and 90. And then I asked you to do 10 through 13. Right? All right, so number 10. Number 10 said a nursery owner buys 5 panes of glass to fix some damage to her greenhouse. The 5 panes cost $14.25. Unfortunately, she breaks 2 more panes while repairing the damage. What is the cost of another 2 panes of glass? So this is a situation where we have to go back down to the unit rate to get 2 panes. So 5 panes was $14.95 or $14.25. We don't want 5 panes. We want to figure out how much 2 panes cost. When I say 2 panes, it's like I'm saying 2 chains. And I can't, yeah, okay. Is 2 chains, is he still a thing? 2 chains?
No idea.
Rapper? No? All right, cool. No idea. All right, awesome. Glad I'm dating myself again. Thanks for making me feel old this morning. All right, so, all right, so we don't want 5 panes. We want to get to 2 panes. Are 5 panes and 2 panes compatible numbers?
No.
No. So we have to stop at 1 pane. So like I said, this is your home base. If you can get back here, you can go anywhere. You can get 2 panes, you can get 10 panes, you can get 25 panes. Okay? So getting back to our unit rate helps us to get anywhere we need to go. So how am I going to get from 5 to 1? Very good. I'm going to divide by 5. Okay? Whatever I do to the bottom, got to do to the top. So $14.25. $2.85.
Oh.
But again, that's for 1 pane, and I need 2. So multiply by 2. Multiply by 2.
5.7.
Okay. So 5. So when I get 5.7 on your calculator, what does that mean? $5.70. Okay, so don't forget to put that 0 in the placeholder of your hundredths position.
So smart. How do you think that?
Okay, any questions on number 10? Okay, number 11 was our tutor problem. An arts academy requires there to be 3 teachers for every 75 students and 6 tutors for every 72 students. How many tutors does the academy need if it has 120 students? So what information do we need from that problem?
Number of tutors per child or student.
Very good. Number of tutors per student. So we have 75 students, or I'm sorry, 6 tutors for every 72 students, right?
That's a lot of students.
I don't want 72 students. How many students do I want? I want 120 students. Are 72 and 120 compatible numbers? No, they're not compatible numbers. So we need to figure out how to get from 72 to 120. Okay? So is this appropriate to use unit rate in this situation?
Yes. Wait. One second. Yeah.
You don't have to,
Okay, we don't have to.
because 6 is divisible by 2.
Okay, 6 is divisible by 2, but I want 120.
Yeah, but 6 can go into 120.
6 can go into 120. Okay, but how is that going to help us if we know it's 72 students?
We need to get to the unit rate.
Okay.
We don't know how many
So,
Tutors can take 1 student.
well, let's think about this. 72 divided by 6. Okay? Oh. Wow. Oh my God. Good. How many students is associated with one tutor? You wanna know?
12. Same old?
Does it help us?
Yes.
Yeah, it does. How do I get from 12 students to 120 students?
Times 10.
Times 10. So if I multiply by 10 and by 10, how many tutors do I need?
10.
What did you multiply by 10?
20 or 12 times 10 gives me 120. Is that okay? Thumbs up, Don? Okay. All right, taxis. In large cities, people often take taxis to get from one place to another. What is the cost per mile of a taxi ride? How much is a 47-mile taxi ride? Okay, so the first question asks, what is the cost per mile of a taxi ride? So if we look at our information, it tells us that the fare is $25.20 for 36 miles. So our rate and again, a rate is comparing of two values of different units. Two values, different units. So the first question is, how much is 1 mile? Okay. How would I figure this out? How would I calculate it?
Math.
Math, yes, thank you.
Very helpful.
What kind of math? Be more specific. Division, very good. So we're going to divide top and bottom by 36. Why did I choose 36? Bob? Very good. I'm trying to get from 36 to 1, so 36 divided by 36 gives me 1. Okay. If I divide by 36 in my denominator, I also need to divide by 36 in my numerator. So, $0.70 per mile. That's pretty cheap. Okay. But I don't want 1 mile.
You want 47.
I want 47. So this is part A, or the first question. But I don't want that. I want that. I want this.
So you do.
So how do I get from 1 mile to 47 miles? Danica?
Multiply by 47.
Very good. Multiply bottom by 47. And because I'm making equivalent ratios, whatever I do in the bottom,
Have to do it to the
I have to use at the top.
I'll give you $32.92.
Yeah. $32.
Cost me that like $7 just to get
Actually,
from
not
10
as
miles.
much as I would pay for 40.
I haven't seen a taxi like ever in my life.
Really?
Not really.
You have to go to like,
I'm talking like a yellow,
Yeah.
yellow taxi.
you have to go like DC, New York City. Lots of taxis in DC, New York City. Chicago doesn't even have a lot of taxis because they have a rail system. So they have like above ground trains that take you from different points in the city. DC has a subway, and obviously so does New York City. But yeah, that's what you have to.
Underground
That's all because
railroad.
of Vanderbilt. Whatever.
Okay. And number 13, the track team needs new uniforms. The students plan to sell plush toy tigers, the school mascot, that sells for $5. The students find 3 companies online that sell stuffed mascots. Which company has the lowest cost per tiger? And then, if they use that company, how much profit will the students make for each tiger sold? So, company A pays $33.24 for 12 tigers. Company B buys 16 tigers for $44.80. And then company C, 15 tigers for $41.10. Okay? So, I need to know how much one tiger is. Oh gosh. Okay. So how am I going to get from 12 tigers to 1 tiger? I'm going to divide. What am I going to divide by? Okay, I'm going to divide by 12. So 33.24 divided by 12, $2.77. That's not bad, right? Okay. How about 16 tigers to 1 tiger? Divide by 16, so 44.80. And my calculator's wearing out on me.
I like company B. I just like his face.
Okay, now again, when you get 2.8 or 2 8/10 in your calculator, make sure we're dealing with money, so you need that placeholder in the hundreds. And then, company C. Okay, so which is our best buy?
C.
What's going to make us the most money? Yep. Company C is going to make us the most money because it's the lowest price per animal.
Yes.
Now, that was part A. Part B, we're going to sell each tiger for $5. So how much profit are we going to make? Okay, Danica?
$2.26.
Okay, can you tell me how you figured out $2.25?
You subtract the $2.74 and $5.
Very good. So, whenever we're talking about profit of an item, we're talking about sale price minus cost, and that's equal to our profit. Okay, so like when you buy a shirt from Abercrombie & Fitch, it costs them about $2.15 to make that shirt. They then sell that shirt for about $25. That's a huge profit. iPhones, Nikes, anything. The markup on clothing is astronomical. Not the highest, but it's astronomical. Because what they sell it for versus what they actually pay to produce it, that's what gives them a profit. Anyone know the number one highest profit maker for companies? Anyone?
Make it Bitcoin.
No, not Bitcoin.
That's pretty expensive.
Roblox.
No, not Roblox, not close. No?
Amazon.
Google.
No, I'm talking about like an actual product.
Oh.
Oh, the product.
Perfume and lotion.
Seriously? Yeah, bro.
Perfume and lotion.
In the whole world?
95% of perfume and lotion is what? No, what's it made of?
Water.
Water. And they sell it. If you go into Macy's or whatever, they're selling perfume bottles, like bill bottles like this for $50. 95% of that is water.
Do y'all want some like?
Crazy, right?
You should.
All right, so
I'll give you guys
sale
some.
price minus cost. All right, thank you. Sale price minus cost because it's our profit. So like Danica said, we're gonna sell for $5. The tiger cost us $2.74. Danica, what did you say the profit was?
$2.26.
So for each animal, or each stuffed animal, we are going to make $2.26. Okay? How do we feel? Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Why does Tiger Company B looks like he's seen some crap? He looks-
He's seen some crap?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's like, it looks kind of scary.
Okay. All right, your work for today, and it is due on Friday, is Math Excel 2-1. Okay, so Math Excel 2-1, so that's in Google Classroom. Due Friday? Yep. Now, it's due Friday, but
That always happens. I'm so sorry, guys. I said guys. I'm sorry, guys. I swear.
So you have Tiger and
okay, so Math Excel 2-1, it's already on Google Classroom. It is not due until Friday, but I am here now. We're not doing this in class on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. So if you do it now, what can you get from me? Help if you need it. So don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Make sure